Independence means Rachel being able to enjoy life, get a job, and have a place, and just be happy, like everybody else.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, we're working towards that.
We are working towards that. It's wonderful to know that companies like Whirlpool are taking an interest and helping her. The MagnusCards really are very helpful, and we're really grateful. We pull out the MagnusCards to see what the steps are, so we go over them before we start. All the steps are lined out very clear. I think it just puts her mind at ease if she knows what to expect. We found them very helpful, and sometimes it's reinforcing what she knows, which makes her feel good too. Sometimes being autistic, it's being given the opportunity to do these things, because some people feel that you won't be able to. So given the opportunity to show people that you can cook on the stove or do a laundry and do it successfully. For Rachel, I think that's the biggest hurdle, is people letting her do it. The partnership between Whirlpool and MagnusCards has made me feel that Rachel will be able to manage, and she will have a good life. She'll be able to do things because she does learn from them, and I feel much better. It's a huge weight off my shoulders. So we're really grateful for this partnership.